Welcome again, followers, subscribers, and those who continue to share the cooking channel, Cooking with tz&c. Yeah, big up. You know, we are going to whip up a potato pudding, but this time the first video we released was on the coal stove, the wood fire settings, but now we are going to just give a little twist. We are going to do this now inside the oven. So just stay tuned and let me go on, you know, ox out my coconut, blend them up, get the juice ready, and the dry ingredients mix. So stay tuned. And before, you know, as you can see, the cocoa, yes man, we are going to add a cocoa now to this potato pudding. This wasn't in the first video, but you know, cooking what you crave, and you can mix and add and do what you want, just to bring a different vibes and a different zest and a different kick to your finished product. So stay tuned. Give me a 5 minutes to put all this on a table. Okay, so yes, we finished cut up coconut, so we're just going to transfer it into the blender and do a quick blend up, because you know, the juice and make the things spice up. Okay, so now that we blend up with coconut and have this lovely coconut milk, we're going to sweeten this. We're going to spice this up to use it and the potato, mix with the potato, the cocoa, the carrot, flour along with the cornmeal to just give that pudding the body and the thickness before we put it into the oven. So get a pinch of salt, just roughly about a half teaspoon. We have nutmeg. Just gonna use about a third of this nutmeg. There we go. We're gonna add some spice, roughly about a half teaspoon. Just give that a little mix. I'm gonna pour in you know, your vanilla. So yeah, we're gonna give that a little mix. Now we're gonna add our sugar. So we're just gonna sweeten and add sugar just to your taste and your liking. So there, we're just gonna mix this. Let me give this a yeah, but I reach the desired sweetness, so just gonna add a little more sugar and just continue to mix this. So you can zoom in description box below to see the exact ingredients. You see me? So let us continue mixing and stirring until everything is dissolved. So now let me just give this a final taste. Okay, that's sweet enough. And also remember to check in on the top right hand corner for the traditional, you know, the traditional pudding style already. Hella top, hella bottom, you know. All wood stick, cold fire, outdoor settings. But you know, this today we just have a different twist. Oven style pudding we have to put it. So alright, so we're just gonna mix this potato, coco, carrot. You see me? Mix them up. We're gonna add our dry ingredient. We're gonna pour in our flour. Give that a little mix. Some of the cornmeal. We don't want to pour too much cornmeal because we don't want to take away the flavor. Alright, now so we're just gonna add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredient and just continue to give it a stir. I'm gonna pour some more flour in. guys. Our batter well mixed, just waiting to our container, pour into the baking tin and shove into the oven. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Yeah, I love the thing. You know the thing go jingle. Pudding soon touch the oven. So I love the pot. And you know me, I'm gonna just pour in the mixture in now. I love the pudding pan. And now me, I'm gonna just dash in the product.
Okay, so we're going to bake for 2 hours at 150 degrees Celsius. Afterwards, we're going to use a knife to test to ensure that the pudding is well baked. So you're going to use a knife to pierce through the pudding, and if it comes out clean, that means the pudding is well soaked, just like that. And then we're just going to dive in.
Look at that, guys. Yes, the real Jamaican pudding, oven style, oven bake. Look at it. You see everything all blend out. There is no strand showing. The potato is well cooked, well baked. Look at that, guys. Yes, ready to dive in, ready to heat, ready to swallow up.
I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. And also remember to check out our sweet potato pudding, the old-fashioned style. Thank you for watching. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.